This week has been my best trading week in trading for 2026. I took 5 trades on Monday, and in 24 hours, all of those trades has hit TP. For full transparency, all of these trades was shared publicly. I was having a live stream where I did this analysis one by one, and I picked each of these coins. I gave the entry point, the stop losses, and take profits for each of these trades. And I also shared them on my Telegram channel. So I wasn't the only one that benefited from it. So many persons took these trades and they made money from it. This is one thing that excites me the most. So what I want to do in this video is to walk you through the steps on the analysis, how I came about with the trades, and how you can start applying it to your trades and make money for yourself. If you like videos like this, then make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Alright, so the first trade I took was BTC. If you look at this chart, you can see it's clearly bearish. It's been printing lower lows and lower highs. And this right here is the current draw on liquidity, which is where we're expecting price to get to in the coming days or in the coming weeks or thereabout. You can see this here was the last break of structure showing that we are going lower. And next thing I was able to identify was this other block here, which led to this break of structure over here. So the moment I found that, then what I did was I scaled down to 4-hour time frame, and all I'm basically looking out for is catching sales that would take me down here. Alright, so when BTC got to this other block, you can see it started pushing down right away. It's been putting in lower lows and lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. So you can clearly see that. And this right here was the current break of structure, showing you that we are clearly bearish. So what did I do? I identified this other block right here, because there wasn't any clear other block at this area here. So what I did was I went down to the 4-hour time frame, and what I'm expecting is price should actually move up to this place, tap into this area, and then with confirmation, I'm going to short it down with my target around this draw on liquidity. I'm going to talk more about the target later on in this video. All right, so if I play this forward, let's see what happens. All right, so what can you see here? We tapped into this other block here and we traced instantly. So what I was looking for was a sweep here, then I should be able to find confirmation for my trade. So let me play it forward. And what you see is we clearly swept it. So the moment we saw this, I dropped down to the 15 minutes time frame and I started looking for my change in state of delivery. All right, what can you see here? We swept this area here, came down, tried to pull up, and then we couldn't go above these highs here, and then we came down. This already is giving me a clear change in state of delivery. And here was the other block I targeted. And this, if you look down here, this also looks like liquidity that needs to be swept. I had my entry point here, my stop loss slightly above this area here. And where did I target? I'll go to a higher time frame so I can see that clearly. I targeted down here. You can see this was a clear 1:3. So let me play the trade forward and let's see what happened. Boom. You can see we came into the area and we were almost close to our stop loss. Honestly, I was actually like, what the hell is going on? But I was kind of resolute because this was when New York section opened. And the moment it opened, there was a lot of momentum which was trying to take out a lot of persons. But thank God, I was glad it didn't take out these highs right here. And the moment it did this manipulation, it started going down instantly. Boom, we actually hit TP on BTC, and it was even going way lower. Honestly, this trade actually closed by midnight. But assuming I was awake, my intention would have been to extend this area, although I don't do that many of the times, but I was so sure that BTC was going to come lower. But anyways, the 103 was a very good trade actually. So this was how I caught the BTC trade. Before I continue with this video, I would like to show you the result of this trade. I entered the trade on 2 platforms. The first one is on Breakout Prop Firm, and then the second one is on Bybit. Now on Breakout Prop Firm, you can see I made $2,700. Right, you can see that the trade is actually closed. The day I opened it and the time I closed it, you can see all of that. The fees are actually paid. And on Bybit, you can see my entry price and my take profit, which made me around $2,900. Now, I know some of you are interested in prop firm, and one of the best crypto prop firm you can actually get is Breakout Prop Firm. You can sign up with my link in the description. Let's go to the next trade that printed very well for me, which is ETH. All right, so for ETH, you can see Market is clearly bearish. Even though market has been pulling up this high, I actually know that at some point it's going to start retracing. So what did I do? I spotted this area here that had that had fair value gap, and this area I marked it out, which is the other block that led to this huge red candle that broke structure here. So it tells me that market might most likely retrace here, and here is actually my draw on liquidity. Now I don't enter the trade and expect to target here directly. Rather, I could target easier places around there at the top here and then just take my profit and move on, and maybe possibly just keep entering the moment market is showing me signs that it's going to keep going lower. So what did I do? I scaled down to 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, what I can clearly see is first time we came here, we didn't tap at the other block, but we came down. We came back and tapped it and came down, and then finally we did sweep this zone right here. So next thing I was doing was to actually look for my change in state of delivery. Now right after that sweep, on the 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to delete this so that the chart is going to look clearer. On the 15 minutes time frame, I also found another sweep, which made it quite better for me. So all I was looking for was a change in state of delivery. And how did I find that? You can see the moment it swept it came down, went up, but this high wasn't higher than this, and then it swept lower. I actually marked out this area here as the area where I'm looking to take my entry. Although I think I did get the higher entry because I was watching BTC that same time. So I didn't enter at limit order. Rather, as BTC was going to my entry, I just entered the trade. But usually my stop loss would have been here, but due to that manipulation, I adjusted it to somewhere around 2,000. And then my take profit was down here, giving us a clear 1:4 thereabout. All right, so now I'm going to play price to see how this played out. So you can see we tapped it and then we started coming down instantly. Boom, we hit TP right here. Easy peasy. So this was basically how I caught the ETH trade, and it was the same way I caught the unit trade, RV and Lido. Basically the same strategy, and all of them hit take profit. Now I entered this trade on a prop firm account and on a live account so that I'm going to make profit in the two different accounts. And the name of the prop firm I actually use is called Breakout Prop Firm. It is one of the best crypto prop firms out there, and the rules are not very strict. Moreover, there's no issue about not paying people. So this is one of the reasons I trusted them, and they even got acquired by Kraken, which is one of the top leading crypto exchanges. So I know that this is a secured platform for you to actually trade if you're looking out for a crypto prop firm. They recently added Nasdaq, and they are looking out to add Forex and stock pairs. So if you're trading Forex and anything, you can basically use this platform in the coming months to start trading. If you want to sign up, then do what to use my link in the description to sign up. That is going to reduce the cost you're actually going to pay for the prop firm. It's a win for you. Instead of you to pay the real price, you're paying a cheaper price. So why not choose that and then save yourself some money? So this is basically it about all of the video, and I would encourage you to join my Telegram channel because that's where I share most of my signals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel so that this video is going to reach out to a lot more persons. And if you're looking out for how you can set up your prop firm account, I've done a full video about that. You can click on this video right here to watch that video right now. Bye for now.